the right foot and place it right between the ball of the first toe and second. So right in that little divot as best as you can. Don't overthink it. Just put the foot on the ball and your heel may rest on the floor. And if you're using the block, same thing. Just get it on the edge of the block with the heel on the floor. And we're just applying a gentle pressure on kidney 1. That's our bubbling springs kidney point, the very first point in the body. It's very calming, it's very soothing. So we're just allowing the gentle pressure of the ball to sink into that point. And then we're going to cross the left leg over the right, and we're going to come back to some seated kidneys here with the acupressure on the left foot. So the knee wants to come in, the right hand is going to push away. You can use the opposite hand as well and lean more to the right and push away with the left hand. I like to do the opposite. You can also do both. And then I like to bring the knee back in with the fingertips. So push with the heel of the hand, bring back in with the fingertips. Knee wants to squeeze into the chest, push it away. Okay, so here we are back in kidney on the left side, the most yin organ, and working our yin side of the body. Well, for me, it's my yang side, but for you guys, it's your yin.